Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Beldex account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Beldex account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Beldex application on your device. The official page of Beldex will be displayed on the screen. Enter your PIN number and the official page of Beldex will be displayed on the page. Click on Use Existing Wallet option. Among the displayed options, tap on any one option. Here I'm gonna go with Restore from Seed. On the next page, choose any language that you prefer and tap on it. Once you're done, click on Next. Enter your wallet name, your address, your view key, spend address, restore from block height, and click on tick mark icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Once you do that, you'll be logged into your Beldex account in no time. This is how you can log into your Beldex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.